Golden Rose Dream Eyes Eyeliner Set of 5, Set. Golden Rose Dream Eyes Eyeliner is a dream come true. The super soft and creamy eyeliner pencil glides on smoothly. It won't pull or tug the delicate skin around your eyes. Apply lightly for a subtle color or apply a couple of coats for a dramatic look. The eyeliner pencil is soft enough to blend into an eyeshadow. Creating a smoky eyes look has never been easier. Set includes 5 eyeliner pencils. These eye pencils do not have a retractable or twist mechanism to advance the point. You will need to use a pencil sharpener. By now to start creating high pigment and smoky eye looks. Golden Rose Metallic Eyeliner Set of 6 by. All the colors are rich and pretty. I work out like a demon in the afternoon, so I do have to reapply sometimes afterwards, but not everyone does that, so. I love metallic eyeliners and they are so hard to find, it seems, other than at MAC, but these are well worth the price and the quality is excellent. Don't get it in your eye though, it does sting and your eye will tear up. All metallics are like this, it seems. Jafra INKWELL Eyeliner Color ONYX by Jafra. Jafra INKWELL Eyeliner Color ONYX. Paris presents Beauty Brush Assortment 9-piece set, Kabuki. This beauty brush kit is more on a travel kit. So handy and not so bulky. I like the idea of different brushes being set up in one single handle. Moreover, the bristles compared to other brushes easily drops off and left on the skin. The eye brushes are so soft and just enough length and size to do your eyebrows and eye makeups. I won't be having problems with bulky makeup kits now. I highly recommend this product. Disclaimer: I received this product at a discounted price in exchange for an honest review. The reviews I made are based on my honest opinion and experiences. Vasanti Kajal Waterline Eyeliner, ophthalmologist approved, and my first purchase was elsewhere. I used it and I loved it, which is saying a lot because I have lens implants and I've tried just about everything except one product that costs $45. Then I found it on Amazon and I've already purchased 3 of these here. I haven't found anything better. With the lens implants, every other liner I tried left me teary-eyed, irritated, and gritty feeling. They ran and smeared and started wearing off before I left the house. Vasanti impressed me from the start. It glides on, there was no tearing or irritation nor any microscopic bits flaking off. It was truly a wonderful experience and I could hardly wait to see how it held up through the day. Score another hit. All day and it was still in place, with no tearing, no irritation. If it helps to know, I always apply the liner first before applying any mascara, moisturizer, makeup, etc. That way there's no chance of contaminating the liner tip with any product or of pulling any of that too close to the interior eye. ONYX Waterproof Retractable Eyeliner MPE14 Deep Blue. ONYX Waterproof Retractable Eyeliner MPE14 Deep Blue. Marc Jacobs The High Life, Essential Hues 3-piece Highliner. Live the high life with this essential collection of award-winning highliner gel eye crayon eyeliners. Capture the best of neutral eye looks with these elegant black K, Roe, and sunset colors. Their super buildable gel formula glides smoothly onto lids and then sets in place for all-day wear.